Changing your primary admin on Target Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Target Plus account by entering your credentials on the Target Plus login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Admin Management. In the Account Settings, find the Admin Management option. This section allows you to manage your account administrators. Step 4. Choose the new primary admin. From the list of current admins, select the individual you wish to promote to primary admin. Ensure that this person has the necessary permissions and responsibilities. Step 5. Confirm the change. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. After completing these steps, your primary admin will be successfully changed. Make sure to communicate this change to your team for a smooth transition.